9 hacks to make your life a breeze. Do your rings leave a green mark on your fingers? Add a clear coat of nail polish on the inside of your ring and voila! No more green stains. It's time to break up with frizz with a hairbrush and some budget-friendly static sheets or foil paper. Place the sheet through the brush and comb as usual and watch the static be gone. You'll have gorgeous, frizz-free locks without breaking the bank. If pepper spray isn't your self-defense weapon of choice, carry a travel-sized deodorant spray with you. It's discreet and you'll feel more confident knowing you have a safety tool at hand. Who doesn't love a fresh smelling car? Just soak a cotton ball in some vanilla essence and attach it in your car. Enjoy months of delightful fragrance without making a hole in your wallet. Raise your hand if you struggle to identify keys in a bunch. Here's a pretty quick fix. Get some nail polish to color code and differentiate your keys. Now finding the right key is a breeze. We all know how bobby pins have a knack for disappearing into thin air. Secure a magnetic strip to your wall with some double-sided tape and you'll never lose another bobby pin again. We've all fallen in love with the perfect pair of heels only to find that they're a bit too snug. Simply slip on some thick socks, wear the shoes and blow dry and you'll have extra space for your feet. Comfort and style all in one. The goodness of a drop of coconut oil on a towel can be used to wipe away the dust that settles on your tabletops or candle holders, as well as gives your plants and leaves a glistening shine. Make your own odor buster with some baking soda and essential oils. Put it into a jar and make holes on the cover so that the air can enter the jar and you're all set. We hope you enjoyed these super easy life hacks. Let us know if you have any hacks in the comment section down below. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.